Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Epic Games Launcher running glitch. If you're not familiar with it, this glitch happens when you open the Epic Games Launcher and see your game such as Fortnite marked as running, even though it's not actually open on your taskbar. This is a simple, fast fix for that issue, so let's jump in. To start, click on your Start menu. You can do this by either clicking the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen or pressing the Windows button on your keyboard. Next, type Task Manager in the search bar, and when Task Manager appears, click on it to open. Now, scroll through the list of programs until you find Fortnite, focusing on the one that's using the most CPU or memory. Once you've located it, select Fortnite and click End Task at the bottom right of Task Manager. This will close any background processes that Fortnite might be running. After that, you can close Task Manager, reopen the Epic Games Launcher, and you should now see the option to launch Fortnite again. That's how you can fix Epic Games Launcher running glitch. As a gamer, it can be really hard to meet other people who share your interest. Heck, it's hard to find people who don't judge you for it. But did you know that there's a dating app specifically designed for gamers? Everyone on the app has the same hobby as you, making it much easier to form meaningful connections. If this sounds interesting, click the link in the description and try it out. You might end up finding your real-life player too.